In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a leading zero to numbers in Microsoft Excel. This is a useful formatting trick when you are working with data like zip codes, product IDs, employee numbers, or any values that need to keep a fixed number of digits. Excel often removes zeros at the beginning of a number by default, so using custom formatting is the best way to display them correctly without changing the underlying value. To begin, select the cells where you want the leading zeros to appear. You can click a single cell or click and drag to highlight a whole range if you want to format multiple numbers at the same time. Once those cells are selected, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted area. This will open a shortcut menu with several formatting and editing options. From that menu, click Format Cells. This opens the main formatting window where you can control how your selected values are displayed. At the top of that window, select the Number tab if it is not already active. On the left side, you will see a list of number categories. Scroll to the bottom of that list and click Custom. The Custom category lets you define exactly how numbers should appear in the selected cells. Now move to the text box under the word Type. Click inside that box and delete whatever text is currently there. After that, type 00000. Each zero in this format represents a digit place. That means if your number has fewer digits, Excel will automatically add zeros to the front until it matches the total length you set here. For example, if you use 5 zeros and the cell contains 123, Excel will display it as 00123. If you need a different total number of digits, simply enter more or fewer zeros in the type box to match your preferred format. After entering the format, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the window. Excel will immediately apply the custom number format to the cells you selected. Finally, verify that the leading zeros now appear in those cells. If everything looks correct, then the formatting has been applied successfully. Keep in mind that this changes how the number looks, not the actual numeric value stored in the cell, which can be helpful if you still need to use the data in calculations. That covers everything you need to know.